What's this, Mally? Yeah. Goodies. What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. As always, thank you so much for tuning in and checking out just what we have in store for you today. And I promise you don't want to skip over this video. If you like giveaways, shout out to Badboyz Cyclez, literally the first sponsor of our channel here. And I absolutely love that family. I love their company, everything they stand for. We share the same goals, same initiatives. They're down to earth people. They're my kind of people. And that's why we are constantly collabing with each other, because I respect the hell out of them and everything they stand for. And it doesn't get much better than mom and pop type businesses in this industry. So with that said, guys, we are teaming up with Badboyz Cyclez to do a giveaway for a Freedom Performance seat of your choice of color stitching, all that on their Freedom Performance lineup. Anywhere from, I think it's like 2008 all the way up to the 2025s. So definitely stick around. They sent something, as you saw. I don't know what's in that box, but we're gonna find out together. So let's check it out. Ooh, I am excited to see what we have in store here. Uh-oh. The V2 version, the revamped version of the Freedom Performance. Man, these things. My wife, dude, she loves their pillions. They're super comfortable for passengers. She absolutely loves it. Out of every seat I've ever owned, she loves how theirs is nice and wide and just real cushiony and thick. So we got us the passenger pillion. Looks like we got us the backrest, and it looks like they started powder coating these brackets and the hardware. So that is a super nice touch up. Very, very nice addition. That's nice. I love the attention to detail. We got our passenger pouch so they can stick their phone or smokes or whatever it is in there when that's in. So awesome stuff. These backrests are super comfortable. Game changers for long hauls. Man, they even upgraded the wrap. How they got these things wrapped. It's like a big ass hairnet. It's awesome. Oh, sick. And they now have the Freedom Performance name stitched into the back. That is slick, man. That is super, super nice. The attention to detail on these is phenomenal, guys. It truly, truly is. These things are so comfortable right out the box. There's no break-in period with these. And it looks like they upgraded the bottoms as well. So you have your cast, or your mold, that's completely smoothed up now. And let me see if I can find one to compare it to. There's quite the difference in how they are put together. This looks a little bit more defined on how that turns down. Obviously, this is like a carpeted material. Dude, I love this seat. I've been rocking with this seat for thousands and thousands of miles, and it still feels like it's brand new. Still feels brand new. So they hook you up with new black hardware there. But yeah, I mean, there's definitely a noticeable difference with things they've upgraded on the V2 versus the V1. And I'm gonna take some measurements just to see if there's any change. So on the V1, from the widest point, we're just sitting right around 14. That's about 13.75 inches at the widest point. On this one, we got about 14 and a half. Front to back from the seated area is 18 inches. I don't know if you can, there we go. So front to back, 18 inches. Now we move over here on this guy here. Front to back, we're right at 18 inches as well. Man, I can just tell that this is so much softer. So much softer, just pillowy. It is so pillowy. Like, it just feels good. Just classy, comfort, you name it. Dude, it's checking all the boxes. These things look sleek. They're great. They hold up very well. I have put thousands and thousands and thousands of miles on this one to the left, and it's still as comfortable as the day I took it out of the box. Let's get this one on the Ghost and go knock out some miles. Here's another thing I love about their setup with their seats is the backrest is super easy to just take in and out. You just find your little slot, boom, it's in. Folds down, out of the way, swing your leg over, whatever, lifts back up. You have a little set screw up here in the front that you can adjust, turning it counterclockwise for the backrest to go back a little bit wherever you want it, or you can go all the way leaning forward if you want, just tightening that screw and it'll adjust it and lock it in place on where you want your backrest to be. This new design is the passenger pillion. So on the Freedom Performance on the V1, this backrest would go through the passenger pillion, but so now that this is out of the way, that gives your passenger a little bit more room right here because you don't have the driver's backrest going down through the center. Yeah, it looks phenomenal. Looks absolutely phenomenal. I did sit on it for a second, and I did notice. I feel like it sits you up a little bit higher, maybe an inch or half an inch or so on the seat. It's sits you up a little bit higher. This is still considered the extended reach, but it does sit you up a little bit higher. Not a crazy amount, but it's definitely noticeable from what I was seeing. But it is super, super comfortable. I'm about to go rip around on it. All right, so the thing that a lot of you have been waiting for, you're wondering how in the hell do I get entered to win my own Freedom Performance seat from Badboyz Cyclez? And it's super easy. all you gotta do is subscribe to my channel and go over to Badboyz Cyclez YouTube channel and subscribe there as well. There is a third step, and this is just to ensure nobody's cheating the system. You do need to sign a Google Doc, not literally sign, but just type in your, first name, last initial, whatever, and then an email address. No, we're not going to spam your email. Again, this is just something that Google Docs requires to be able to submit your entry. It will also make it a million times easier for us to be able to see the list of people that are entered, and that way we can just copy and paste and put it in the randomizer. Boom, boom, done. We have our winner when we do the drawing. This will stay open until June 14th. So definitely subscribe. Badboyz Cyclez YouTube, subscribe there as well to get entered to win. Do not sleep on this, guys. I promise you, because these just blow everybody else out of the water. I've rode them all. Mustangs, Saddlemans, La Peras, you name it. Badboyz Cyclez. It's just, I don't know. It fits me well. They're super comfortable for my riding style. I absolutely love the craftsmanship, and honestly, more than any of that, their customer service is top tier. Like, it's top notch. You contact them, they are going to answer. You can call and speak with Elias or George or anybody there, and they will be 100% upfront and honest with you, tell you exactly what you need. They're not going to try to oversell you on anything that you don't want or need. But yeah, go check them out, guys. I'll drop the link in the description. Also, for my subscribers, if you use the discount code RGN11, you get a discount at checkout on their website. Go check out their website. They don't just sell seats. You've probably seen some of the videos. There's a video up here somewhere. It'll be somewhere up here in the top of their crash bars and their bag guards. Immense quality, like unbelievable quality on these bag guards and the crash guard. Like, it's not even fair when you try to compare these to everybody else. They're just so much better. They're so thick and they're just beefy. They're just all around just badass. Like, they look fantastic. But check that video out if you want to. Definitely get entered to win. Subscribe now. Go over there to Badboyz Cyclez YouTube and subscribe there as well. Maybe say hi in the comments somewhere. Just say, what up? Kyle Gimp's Garage sent me over, and we'll get you entered to win. I will pin the Google document that you need to fill out in the comments of this video. It'll be at the top. That has to be done to be entered to win. Yes, you still need to subscribe to both channels, but you need to fill out that Google Doc so we have your official entry to enter into the randomizer. So, with that said, much love from Utah, guys. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Until next time, peace out. Bye.